Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Classic Mustang Garage. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix this pitted, kind of dull looking chrome trim on any kind of classic car. Because we've all had this problem. It gets old, it's been your project car, it sits outside, or it's your daily driver in the sun a lot, and it pretty much gets this onto it throughout the years. And I'm going to talk today about taking a stainless steel ultrafine scrubbing pad and actually cleaning this chrome trim up. It won't look brand new, but it'll have a lot better shine to it, and it'll help for more looks at car shows. Put you on the tripod there. And while I'm doing this, I'm also going to talk about an update on the '66 Mustang. But you just want to kind of take it, get around it good, and if you don't want the residue on your hands, like this right here, you can actually wear gloves, which is really the safest thing to do. So pretty much the '66 Mustang that I've done a couple of videos on, how to replace a grill, stuff like that. That Mustang is at the body shop right now getting the weather stripping put in around the windshield because it leaks and all that. We all know how Mustangs are with floor pans. But it is pretty much getting that done to it and a couple other little things. And then it'll be back and I'll make a video on how to polish the car and all that. And I'm thinking about doing some daily uploads because I'm at a school right now for college starts in the fall. Getting that car really honestly ready for commuting back and forth. But you can already see pretty much how well that pretty much shines up. I mean, it's got a really nice shine to it right now. And it's just something simple, because you can get these at Walmart for like $5. But yeah, so the Mustang, the motor was rebuilt in it. And then it's gone to a lot of different shops to have a lot of small issues worked out. And right now it's at the body shop getting the hood realigned and some small stuff like that. Which truthfully, I probably could have realigned the hood myself, but I just didn't really want to. And then I've started back on the 64.5. Which this door handle is off. This is an original 64.5 window crank. And you really, with chrome, you gotta, this needs to be done not like regularly, but whenever you start to see pitting. Because this right here will, when it pits, it gets that orange pill type texture to it. And that's not really something you want to happen. And then nobody wants to replace door handles a whole bunch. But after you scrub it for a while. I've been scrubbing this for a couple of minutes now and everything. But the other Mustang will be back soon, and then I might start uploading regularly. I would like to anyway. And don't forget to do the back either. Because you just want it all to shine, really. And so now we have a very shiny, it's still pitted, but it's a very, very shiny door handle, window roller right now. So, as long as nobody looks too closely, that'll look pretty nice. And you can even use this trick on just your basic front bumper to kind of clean it regularly. It won't just get ultra fine so it doesn't scratch or nothing. But just to clean your chrome regularly. I already did it on the Beetle over here. And the Model A's just been done as well. But this will keep your chrome shiny, and it'll also prevent it from pitting. So you'll get more use and a longer life out of it. But thank y'all for watching this little tip. You can follow me on Instagram for updates. Classic _ Mustang garage _garage. And I'm going to go install this. And I will actually show y'all what I've been up to today. Excuse me, guys, we just had a party. But I've been wet sanding today. I got all this smoothed out on the 64.5. I already painted the car one time, but I'm going to do a repaint. Smoothed out the wavy quarter panel there. It's got a little ways to go, then it'll be repainted. But I'm going to repaint it. Fix some small spaces that were bothering me. Get that guy, got that wet sanded out. So now I guess we can talk about. I want to start uploading more regularly and all that, but I've just been trying to get the car back and all that so I can start, and because I don't know anybody on YouTube who really like Just a Six and all that, and Street Speed and all that, who daily vlog with a classic car. Because my classic car is daily driven. It'll be daily driven to college in the fall. It'll be my commuter car and all that. I don't drive in the rain and all that. And then we have the 64.5 and the SN95 Mustang, which I'll do a couple videos on the SN95, probably a review and all that. The Plymouth is running. The Model A runs. Herbie runs. They all run. Well, kind of all over the place today. And soon I'll be doing a pretty much how to wash your classic Mustang convertible. My detailer stuff there. Actually, there's more than that, but and all that. And I'll do a video on that and how to polish a car, and probably start uploading more regularly. Okay, thank y'all for watching. You can follow on Instagram, classic _ Mustang _ garage. Thank y'all. Have a great day.